what?
Yes.
It is given in the below diagram that a battery of EMF मतलब electromotive force, which can also be replaceably used as voltage. EMF is the big brother of voltage. Voltage ही है ना, voltage का addition of two voltages, the terminal voltage and the voltage loss or the drop in voltage, which is EMF. So EMF बोलेंगे तो हम लोग voltage V लेंगे उसको. EMF shows a battery of EMF 9 volts. ठीक है? An internal resistance of 0.6. So can I say this also has an internal resistance? छोटू सा इसका एक resistance होगा. उसका क्या दिया है value? 0.6 ohms. बहुत छोटा होता है internal resistance का value. Is connected to 3 resistors A, B and C. 3 resistances or resistors A, B and C. Like this. Understood the circuit? There is a battery of EMF 9 volt and with an internal resistance of 0.6 ohms. It is connected to 3 resistances, A which has 2 ohms of resistance, B's resistance is 4 ohms and C's resistance is 6 ohms. We have to calculate combined resistance of BC. Second, total resistance of circuit. Third, total resistance of circuit is the total resistance of ABC. ये B, ये C है, ये B है, whatever है, I don't care, we find everything. Total resistance of circuit, combined resistance of ABC, potential drop. So potential drop जो है ना, ये इसका न्यूमेरिकल्स आप लोगों को नहीं है. So we will not
मत कर रहा.
हाँ, न्यूमेरिकल्स आर आउट ऑफ स्कोप. जो मैंने आप लोगों को EMF का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट समझा ना, उसके बेस पे न्यूमेरिकल्स आर आउट ऑफ स्कोप. So let's not do it. And let's find the current through the circuit. Let's find it. Current through the circuit. Okay?
Current through circuit.
Solution. First we have to find what combined resistances of BC. तो BC ड्रॉ कर ले. तन्वी ध्यान से देख. B और C क्या है? 4 ohms और 6 ohms. What is the combination of resistance? Series or parallel?
Parallel.
Can I say 1 upon resistance between BC is equal to 1 upon resistance in B plus 1 upon resistance in C? So this is going to be 1 upon resistance between BC is going to be equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. That is equal to 10 upon 24. Therefore, resistance between BC is going to be how much? 12 upon 5 ohms. ये mistake करोगे तो ये mistake मत करो. मिल गया first answer?
समझावा.
Next, B. Combined resistances of ABC. अभी बताओ, अभी फिर से redraw करते हैं. This is A, which is how much? 2 ohms. And this is the combined resistance of BC, which is 5. How much is that?
4.8. नहीं 40 अपन होता था.
2.25 ohms. यही है ना मेरा डायग्राम अभी के लिए. Any problem? And whole circuit will look something like this. है कि नहीं? छोटा होते जा रहा है कि नहीं? मेरा कॉम्पैक्ट होते जा रहा है सर्किट. Now what do we have to find? Combined resistance. They are in series. So can I say resistance between ABC is going to be resistance between BC plus resistance in A?
2.4 है.
2.4. ठीक.
And वो पर 0.6 है ना, छोटा इलेक्ट्रॉन.
उसका बात किया है क्या अभी भी? So R between ABC क्या है? 2.4 plus 2 ohms, that is equal to 4.4 ohms. मिल गया मेरा second answer?
Yes.
Now let's move on. नहीं.
This is resistance of ABC, but इसमें अपने को बैटरी का भी ऐड करने का है ना?
क्यों?
Resistance.
They have only asked resistance between ABC.
Total resistance of
नहीं
सर्किट।
V है ये कंबाइंड रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ एबीसी।
अच्छा आपने उल्टा लिखा।
हाँ इसीलिए V कर दिया है इसको। अभी टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ सर्किट पे आ गए। अभी मेरा सर्किट कैसा दिख रहा है, लेट्स सी। नाउ माय सर्किट is becoming simpler and simpler. Can I say I have 0.6 ohms here and I have one अकेला बचा हुआ 4.4 ohms which is the equivalent resistance of this whole part. अभी खोल दो, खोलोगे ये पॉइंट से ये पॉइंट तक तो कैसे खुलेगा? सीरीज में खुला तो कैन आई से रेजिस्टेंस इन द सर्किट RE is equal to resistance between ABC plus resistance in the internal part of your battery 4.4 plus 0.6 that is equal to 5 ohms. पूरा रेजिस्टेंस मिल गया सर्किट का। 9 वोल्ट क्या है? EMF।
मैम ये R of ABC plus R of क्या है?
R of ABC plus internal resistance
I.
I. Okay. Now let's come to the final part, which is by we have to find the current in the circuit. By Ohm's law, always write this. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Therefore, V is 9 is equal to 5 into I. I is equal to 9 upon 5. That is equal to always in decimal.
1.8.
1.8 what?
Ampere.
Ohm.
Ampere.
अरे यार
समझ में आया?